Hi guys, today I will teach you how to calculate age using Excel formulas. So let's say how to calculate age using Excel formulas. Let's say your age is 1st August 80. So we can calculate years, month and days. So first we will calculate years. In order to calculate the age, the formula used is dated if. I will tell you how to use this formula. Is equal to dated if select the date then today then comma in inverted commas put y and close the comma and bracket. It will give you the years. Okay, in the same way we can calculate the months. I will copy the same formula using Control D. If I want to copy something from top, I can just press Control D, it will copy. So, and I will just change one thing. So month is 1. Now days, how to calculate the days? Using the same formula, I will just change the last inverted commas value, MD, just put MD and it will give you days. So this is how we can calculate the age using Excel formulas. So your age is 40 years, 1 month and 2 days. Thank you for watching.